First, we need to understand the thermal relay in the entire circuit. How it works. As for the thermal relay, it has a main circuit for heat dissipation. But, it does not have a mechanism to independently disconnect the main circuit. Only when our electrical equipment or motor, the current has already exceeded this operating current we set. Then this set of normally closed contacts will disconnect. The on-off of the contactor's auxiliary contact controls our control circuit. Take a live wire from the power supply and connect it to 95 of the thermal relay. Connect the output 96 to the input end of the stop button. Now let's try it out. When our electrical equipment or motor current exceeds our set operating current, only then will the power to the entire main circuit be cut off, causing the coil to lose power, and then the contactor will reset. Let's give it a try.